Good morning, world. Good morning, Sanibonani. Habari sana. Dumelang. It's a beautiful day. Some days you just gotta take it all in and enjoy yourself and look out there and say, hey, I've got it. I have today. Today is my day. I'm gonna rock today. I am the queen of today. I am it. I am today. I am the one, the only one. Ngiyabangena today. As in, hamba nabo. Yes, girl. We just gotta take it and take the world and take it all and put it in our hands and say, this one is mine. Whatever happens, it's mine. Super. Own it. It's yours. Today is yours. Today's menu at Shakshuka with means enjoy Rafiki and travel with Miss J. Like, subscribe, comment. Asante sana.